In this video, we will show you how to replace your vehicle's speed sensor on this Ford F-150. This will be attached to the driver's side of your transmission. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way underneath the center of the vehicle. We're looking for the transmission pan. Now once you've found that, we're going to come up along the driver's side of the transmission so we can locate our speed sensor right up in this area here. Let's start by disconnecting our electrical wiring harness first. We'll just push on the locking tab and pull that out of place. There's that. Quick inspection. No corrosion there. That looks good. Next, we're going to remove the sensor itself. This has a mounting bolt right down along the bottom here. You can see it where my thumb is. For this bolt, we'll be using an 8mm. There's our mounting bolt. Now it's time to remove the sensor from the transmission. As you attempt to remove this, make sure you do not break it off inside the transmission. This can be problematic. Just going to take hold of it. I'm going to try to give it a little twist, see if I can get it to break free. You can use some penetrant. We just don't want to get anything inside of the transmission. I can feel it spinning, so that's good. It's just the O-ring gasket holding this in place now. We should be able to pull it out. There it is, friend. Once you have the sensor out of the transmission, the next thing you need to do is clean and inspect the mounting point. I'm using a clean rag for this. I'm not using any type of detergent. I don't want anything getting inside of the transmission. Okay, let's prepare to install our brand new speed sensor. The first thing you want to do is lubricate your sealing O-ring so this slides into place easily. We'll bring this up to the transmission, line it up, slide it in. Align the mounting bolt port. Slides right in there. Now it's time for our mounting bolt. Just need to get this aligned. The torque for this will be 9 foot-pounds. Okay, so it's bottomed out. There we are. Let's just take hold of that sensor. We'll make sure that it is secured. The sensor itself should be able to move slightly, but the bracket should not. Assuming that is properly secured, it's time for that electrical connector. Line it up, press it in, listen for a click. There we are. Let's give that a little tug, confirming it's in place. That feels good. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you want to do is safely make your way out from under the vehicle. You're going to take your vehicle for a road test and make sure everything functions properly. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.